What is a CBDC? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. Central Bank Digital Currency. That is the word behind the acronym CBDC. President Biden signed an executive order the other day tasking various governmental agencies with developing frameworks and policies and proposals for enhancing the regulation and to develop a responsible development of digital currencies. CBDC are central bank digital tokens, which are created by the central bank as an alternative to a printed and minted currency. So in other words, they are pegged to the value of the country's traditional, the so-called fiat currency. And it is a way, if you think dollar, one of those digital dollars would be linked to the dollar, unlike Bitcoin, which floats around kind of like a separate currency. While Bitcoin started with the idea to create a currency which is out of the control of governments, CBDC is the answer of the traditional governmental-backed currency in a modern world. Many countries are right now developing CBDCs. Some already have implemented them. While all of those countries are watching and looking and creating physical currency alternatives, it makes me wonder, why now? First of all, during COVID-19, the exchange of real cash diminished over time, and the alternatives became more and more prevalent. Even in Germany, a country which was traditionally very hesitant to accept credit cards, it is now very much accepted to pay paperless, to pay cashless, to pay with a credit card, or maybe even just with an Apple phone or an Apple Watch. So what are the goals of the CBDCs? The goal is to create an alternative in a market which seems to demand such market, and of course, to compete directly with the non-traditional, non-governmental backed currencies, such as Bitcoin. So those cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, with the value going up and down. We have followed that on Bitcoin for quite some time. So stability is certainly something which goes hand in hand with the CBDCs. There are different types, wholesale CBDCs and retail CBDCs. However, at the end, I'm curious how governments will get rid of the money. Remember, historically, currencies were backed by gold and silver. Then, over time, the so-called fiat currencies were created, which were not backed up by anything. But now, the next level would be a CBDC, which is a currency not even backed by a little piece of paper.